On the first page, the words are color-coded and broken into syllables. On the next page, the words are printed in black. Read it as you would speak. Page 4. Amy has 2 syllables. Angelique has 3 syllables. Annie has 2 syllables. Beautiful has 3 syllables. All the others have 1 syllable. The C in dance makes the sound of S. It is a light blue for the sound of S. When C is followed by E, I, or Y, it is a light blue making the S sound. Dance. When THE, the word the, is followed by a word that starts with a consonant, it says the. When it's followed by a word that starts with a vowel, it says the. In this case, the word beautiful is a consonant. The B is a consonant, so it is pronounced, THE is pronounced the.